What the brap is up, everybody? Hey, Cody with Dirt Bike Adventures channel here, bringing you another vlog from the 701 Husqvarna. Today we're going to do something a little crazy. This is part 2 of a moto camp to work, and today we're going to be going through some breathtaking scenery I hear, and we're going to get into it right after this. Well, welcome back. Hopefully you got to catch the first part of this series where I took you through the Alpine Loop. Beautiful scenery there. So much beautiful scenery, we had to make this into 2 parts. But the main intent of this video was to bring more adventure to your life. I was supposed to be doing the Utah BDR, but the weather is not going to cooperate. Money and time did not mesh. Had to be to work at this beautiful place up here, and decided I would leave my tools there last time I was up here and bring the bike and the tent and the food and all the gear. So that's what we're getting into today. Hope you enjoy. Hey, KTM and Husky right there. Nice brother. And because I have an adventurer mind, I decided, hey, let's load up the bike, let's go up, we'll camp out, we'll get work done. I thought I'd bring you guys along for the adventure, hopefully inspire you to do some crazy moto camp to work or something just adventurous, to have a little fun in your daily life. I don't know about you, but I find myself sometimes getting caught in the trap of, hey, I'm an adventurer and I want to do an adventure, and then I start thinking about an adventure and it has to be some huge epic 5-7 day 14-day camp, which of course I am up for. Whenever time and money mesh together, you can simply just put a little adventure in each day. And maybe it's a one-night moto camp. You know, it's just all on how you look at it. So don't get caught up in the trap that it has to be some elaborate $1 million moto camp. As I learned this year, thinking like that, how many little adventures I've missed out on. So I'm trying to change that thinking, because if I would have stuck with that stinking thinking, neither you or I would be enjoying this view right now. This is Jordanelle. It's a man-made reservoir. When I was a kid, this was not here. Pretty cool. A lot of people have some fun up here. And now you get to have some fun through your computer or your phone. Hey, there's the original Airstreams, like Friday the 13th type. Every time I see those new Airstreams, that's what I think of, like Friday the 13th. You didn't get killed in there. You might get lucky and get some, but then you're gonna get axe murdered or machete murdered. I know, I got dark thoughts. It is Halloween season, so you gotta give me credit for that. Howdy, ma'am. Top of the day to you. Oh, look at this. It's just like Old West. Some of this probably been here. and soul west. Some of it ain't looking too good. Where you going, ladies? Don't you know the party's here? Just kidding. We're gonna walk through and set camp up real quick before it gets dark, which is like a miracle in and of itself. Usually on an adventure I have the Moscow Moto here and here, and then these, but for work, time and such, I needed to get here, so I didn't put the Moscow Motos on. We just used these. It's still the same concept. First things first. Up here we've got the water and the water filter in that bag. Have the riding pants, and in here should have our Sea to Summit sleeping pad, and we can access from the other side a little easier, hopefully. Let's just loosen that up a little, make life easier. There's the new sleeping bag that we're going to try out. It's supposed to be a 0 degree. Of course, the Copper Spur HV UL2 BIKEPACK tent, packing cube. I'll show you what's in the packing cube. Sleeping bag liner, light, pillow, tarp. Yes, people, this is a little nutty. Hello? Good, how are you doing? And then in here we got the tools. Alright, we're just gonna roast a brat, better cheddar, real quick. I don't know, it's starting to look pretty done to me. Can't wait.
So, my client's mom lives nearby, and she was nice enough to send over some Maxwell House Master Blend. 'Cause I forgot coffee grounds, and the Nano Presso is no good without coffee grounds. So thank you so much.
Alright, so into the labyrinth.
Crazy.
All dug out by hand. There's the coolest part of it. Coming. How cool is that?
I love this thing.
Not sure what kind of barrel that door is, but pretty awesome. Bet you don't got one of these in your house. Oh hell. Knock knock. Hey Nicole.
What?
Come on, let me out.
Where are you? Oh, are you out there?
I'm in the labyrinth. I've been locked in the basement.
Oh, jeez. I'm sorry, how long have you been stuck? Oh, you took your block.
Perfect.
That's awesome.
Fucking locked in there?
Yeah.
No!
Did you lock it? I don't think so.
Ever. You went through the bottom?
No,
Yeah.
Oh.
not
I said,
me.
I bet you don't have one of these in your house.
Oh, yeah.